In this lecture, I will show how to enter records into the posts. So in order to add data, click on Add. Enter title, let's say test, and enter content, test content. You can save, or you can save and continue editing, or you can save and add another. Let's do that, save and add another. For the title, let's type sample. For the content, let's type sample content. Save it. Both of them are listed here. Similarly, you can select and you can delete the selected post. Click on it. Click on go. Yes, I am sure. So it is deleted. And let's go back to posts and posts, or go back to home. Okay. So your actions are displayed here. So you can do many things by using this Django administration page, depending on what you develop. So this is just for sample for you to understand the concept. This is the end of the lecture. In the following lectures, we will discover more about Django.